Well,
you heard
is there anything out here?
I haven't seen anybody. They're in the soul around here.
What's that light over there?
That's a neighbor's spotlight. It almost makes me think somebody went up the driveway. Because that's like a motion like we got. See this? Tripped over it when I ran out the door.
Oh my God.
What do you oh my God for?
Because, hon, look at it.
Yeah, it's real cute. I'm sitting here having a freaking heart attack chasing freaks in my yard.
This was by the door?
Yeah, right on the mat when I ran out.
Well, this must be a gift for me.
It's a gift? Why would it be a gift for you? It's a stinking practical
Because it's
joke is all it is.
It's a gnome. It's a gift for me.
It's a gift for you. Why would anybody do that at night?
Well, I don't know. A surprise?
I'm checking my cameras. And the oddity is should have chimed.
John!
Out there.
John, get in here. Come on. So you didn't see anything?
No noise, no huffing puffing, nobody giggling, nothing. And my camera's pointed up at the ceiling.
Well, maybe there wasn't a knock on the door, huh?
Oh, look at it. Yeah, look at it. Somebody turned it.
Well, you would have seen somebody turn it on the camera.
How would I have seen it? They could have reached over the side with a big stick and just pushed it so they could come up here and plant this thing. Tuna, bring your toy in. I can't believe this crap. Why at night? You know how easy it is for somebody to get hurt by doing something stupid like that? And you think it's a gift?
Well, it's a gnome. It's got to be a gift.
But it doesn't matter. Don't come into somebody's yard or in somebody's house.
Don't yell at me.
I'm not yelling at you, but you're taking it too lightly.
Well, you know, it didn't have to be a knock. I mean, it could have been. We had surround sound on. It could have been.
It was a knock. It was right behind you. The dogs got crazy.
The dogs go crazy when that surround sound, when they hear out of the speakers, it makes thuds sometimes.
But they don't run to the front door. You know how easy it could have been bad here. You know how easy, right?
Hon, if somebody came to the door, by the time you got around that couch, after the dog started barking, you got around that couch so quickly and opened that door that whoever was out there, you would have seen them. Or at least heard them.
I'm not saying it because of that. I'm saying somebody could have got hurt and you know why. All right? That's all I'm saying.
I know.
If it was your brother or whatever, I'm just saying.
I know you usually take your gun out there.
99 out of 100 times, it's with me. So that's what I'm saying. It could have been bad.
Okay. But it's a gnome. It's a gift for me, hon.
I know whether it's a gift or whether it's not. Right, it's still.
Let me sit down and talk.
Yeah, let my heart slow down a little bit, not stop.
You gotta, it might sound a little illogical, but.
A little?
But I just want, oops, there we go.
John.
I just want to talk to you about the possibility of a spirit. Or.
Your dog's looking at you funny for saying that.
No, he's not. Listen. Okay.
Is this going to give me more pain?
I understand your camera was turned, and you know somebody. I guess.
And
it could be coincidence.
No, now I'm rethinking it because yesterday when I got a chime at work, there was a bird like beating into the siding right near where the camera was.
Your phone chimes?
Yeah, when there's an alert, you know, if some motion sensor cameras do that, it chimes my phone. But yesterday in the afternoon, there was a bird, a black bird with like a red spot on it, kept hitting into the siding.
A bird?
Yeah, a bird. A stupid bird, because it kept smashing into the siding.
So you're saying a bird could have possibly hit the camera?
It did not look like it hit the camera. It was
But it
down
could have.
probably over the set of windows.
Possibly it could have, right?
It possibly could have, but I'm sorry.
Okay.
I still think somebody poked it with a stick.
Hun, when I saw the psychic, she told me.
Oh, no psychic talk. Come on.
She told me that Dad sends birds, he sends coins, he plays with the lights, and he messes with my phone and electronics. And Dad was always he always played games.
I know your dad always played stuff. He was always doing. We always played basketball, pool, horseshoes.
But he liked to play jokes too. So Dad could have sent this bird.
I seriously doubt he sent a bird into the camera. I still swear it was your brother. He poked it with a stick.
But you don't know that. You don't know that.
I don't know that. I'm guessing because I have nothing on the camera. But here's the other key. The motion detector spotlights were on. So I don't think a spirit set that off.
The cats send them off all the time.
I know, but not this time. Did the cat
you don't
Did
know.
the cat have an elf on his back and put it on the porch?
It's
No,
not an
it
elf.
doesn't.
These are gnomes.
Gnomes, elves, munchkins, whatever the hell they are.
Hon, and this gnome has a squirrel.
I see the squirrel now. Yes, I used to eat squirrel.
Okay, but listen, squirrels are significant because Dad befriended a squirrel. And he sat on his porch and he used to feed the squirrel. The squirrel would come and sit on his shoulder.
I remember the squirrel very well.
Okay, and
I have a picture of that squirrel. Remember?
when he passed away and we went over to his house, that squirrel was wrapped like he was hugging
I remember it, yes.
the porch.
And I thought that was, it was almost like a pet or like a dog
Right.
when their owner
And
passes
that's why
away, they're that way.
This is special. This has the squirrel. Do you still have that picture?
Yeah, I just said it. I have it.
Oh, send it to me.
All right.
But listen, that's why this is special, okay? And
It's
and
special,
this is
right.
a gift.
It's a gift.
So, yes, granted, spirits, I mean, they come at nighttime most of the time. 3 o'clock in the morning.
Why do they
I
come
wake
at
up.
night? Why can't a spirit come during the day? Why can't,
I didn't say they can't come during the day. I just said they do. They come a lot at night. The psychic told me 3 o'clock. Dad sits
is the
at the
so-called
end of my
bewitching
bed.
hour?
I'm just saying.
I'm not
hon.
buying it,
You
hon.
gotta
You
just
know-
have an open mind.
got
Listen,
an open-
angels send. They're spirits, right? Angels
Right.
are spirits. They send people to other people to help them through certain things.
Maybe
Have you ever-
they sent a person with that munchkin and put it on our porch. And it
That's,
was your brother.
that's possible, but then why didn't you see him?
Because they messed with my camera, that's why.
Because maybe the bird hit the camera.
Nah, I don't think the bird did.
Okay, I think there's a little too much for it's coincidence. It could be one and it could be both things. But oh my God, I just love this, and I think it's a good thing. It's a gift. I'm gonna name him after my dad. I'm gonna name him Abe.
That is nice, and keep him in the back room.
No, I think I'm gonna put him outside. He's got a squirrel. He looks like he could sit right on top of my stump.
Do you think the rain would hurt your gift?
No. No.
And I know
No.
I know you're spiritually into this stuff, and you're all about that world and having your
Hey,
things
you
read.
gotta also remember, after your brother passed, you and some of your siblings found coins.
Yes,
Spirits use coins.
I
And
did.
you
I
all found the same denomination.
Yes, we all found a dime
And very
and-
peculiar
yes.
places.
Yes.
Okay.
I agree.
So
I
if
still
that
don't buy them though. I don't buy that stuff. It's all coincidence to me. If I don't see this in front of me, like tangible material in front of me, like if I seen that stinking thing float through the midair and get set out front of our door, I would have bought into the spirit world. I really would have. I'd have been saying, Tara, I don't really think you're batshit crazy. I may kid around, but I seen that thing bring
So
that down.
you have to see it to believe it.
Yes, that is correct. That's me. I want it in front of me.
So you don't think there's some things that you can feel and believe them?
Gas pains, toothache, yeah, I can feel those, but I'm not spiritually fulfilled. I'd rather be surrounded in the real world with all my people, and that is my so-called spiritualness. How about that?
Well, I love you.
I love you too.
But you'll see.
Oh, I'll see. You know why? Because I'm buying more cameras.